It's puppy spa night. We're getting our nails done at the request of Mama Taryn, because she said those sharp little nails were being a pain in her belly. So we're filing those little sharp things down. They're getting the spa treatment. They also got a bath tonight. Everybody's pretty happy. A little talkative, maybe. Not quite used to having your nails done. Usually I clip them, but tonight we decided to file them down so they were more blunt. You say hi? You say hi? You say hi? This is rocking. There she goes. Rocking in the new year. That's a cute little face, huh? Oh, it's gonna talk.